If the tunnels of Cappadocia kept people safe, then in Mexico, tunnels beneath ancient pyramids were closed in a strange way. Under the ruins of Teotihuacan, once a city of more than 100,000 people, archaeologists have discovered underground passages that had been deliberately hidden for nearly 2,000 years. The most famous discovery happened in 2003, when heavy rains created a sinkhole near the Temple of the Feathered Serpent. Archaeologist Sergio Gomez lowered himself into that pit, finding a passage deliberately sealed with large stones. As soon as he went inside, he realized he had entered a tunnel directly beneath the pyramids. This passage extended about 330 feet, ending at sealed chambers directly under the temple. What Gomez and his team discovered was not just a feat of construction, but a puzzle that still confuses experts today. Inside the tunnel, offerings included jade, shells, and thousands of valuable objects. These included fine pottery as well as strange figurines. But the most shocking discovery was liquid mercury collected in those chambers, shining in the light. Why would any ancient pre-Columbian culture bring mercury into underground tunnels? This substance is rare and extremely poisonous, and mining it requires a lot of effort. For decades, no one believed that mercury was used in the Americas until it was confirmed in these chambers. Some researchers say that this substance was a symbol of a river or lake of the underworld, a mirror-like surface that represents the boundary between life and death. Others consider it part of a cosmic landscape created beneath the ground, a sacred miniature model of the universe where rituals of transformation were performed. The construction of the tunnel deepens this mystery even more. On its walls, carefully ground pyrite and hematite were applied. These were materials that, in the light of lamps, presented a view of a star-filled sky. Reflective minerals-covered orbs, marks were also found, perhaps meant to show stars or music. This was not a hidden refuge. It was an entire underworld, where priest rulers descended into darkness. They relived stories of the cosmos and spoke with the gods. The tunnel had been deliberately sealed in ancient times. Large stones blocked the path for almost 2,000 years. Whoever sealed it wanted to make sure that no one could come again. But building it must have required great effort. Carving a path in volcanic stone was not easy work. Decorating the walls with shiny minerals, bringing mercury from far away, all this was a well-planned task. The pyramids of Teotihuacan were not only monuments rising high toward the sky, but also gateways going into the ground. Above, the Avenue of the Dead stretched for miles. Below, secret tunnels formed rivers, stars, and cosmic worlds, which ordinary people could never see.